When you leave there, you come down. Now the river has carried another one, looking for somewhere to keep it. It got stuck here. Right. Human beings. They created this, and this is where it ended. When they finished using it, they didn't know what to do with it. They just dump it somewhere. Say, go away. Wherever you're going, that's your business. And this is the wherever, right here. It's a human being who used this. It's not nature. It's a human being who created this. You can see the difference between what is nature and what a human being created with his hands. It's like this. Look at the fight they are fighting. Look at the war they have. The war going on. There's a war. They don't want it, but they can't get rid of it. It's stuck with them. They are stuck with it. Nature cannot have its way because of what a human being created. And we are smart, as you say. You can see. It's right there. It's coming now. It's coming. It's arriving. It's right there. It's arriving. They are coming. Now you've seen. If we keep going up, we will reach my second pool. Let me show you. Exactly. See? Yeah. Someone came and ate, just dumped it here and left. Because this one is not brought down by the river. That's one of the machine parts which I couldn't take out. That one stuck between the rocks. You need a special machine to take it out. See, like this one. Somebody came here and deposited that. Man-made. This is what humans create. And look where it ends. Fighting with the rocks and nature. See, when you look what humans create, you can easily identify. It's different. Very different. Anything a human being creates, you can see. Different from what you're looking at. what humans create is different, and it pollutes everything. It causes problems to everything. What humans create causes problems to everything. Look at it. Look at that on that tree. It's fighting with that tree. It's on the tree's way. And you can see it's man-made. You can see its obstruction. You can see what it's doing. And you can compare it with the log lying down beside the tree. And when you come to this other side and look, you can see the obstruction. It's vivid, very clear. Unfortunately, it will be hard to still make humans to understand that they have deviated. They want proof. Even when you bring proof, they cannot still believe you. Amnesia. So this tree is a remarkable sight. That's a typical war between man and nature. It's right there. See the war. Look at the war. It's very vivid, but humans will still not understand it. They choose not to.